For our next question now, a little more complicated. This time we're going to try something slightly different. You know how to do your LCD from the early objectives. And so what we're testing you out now is how can you figure out the LCD without doing too much work. Now there's a couple of choices. You learned it before. We're going to use the long bar to represent where we're going to put the totals for the top. And so you can make some choices. We're looking for a number that 8, 4, and 3 can divide into. So let's take a quick look. 4 times 3 is 12. It doesn't look good for 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Doesn't look good for 3. What's the best possible choice? 8 times 3? 24. So take a look. Your LCD in this case, after a little bit of computation, is 24. And now we'll use the LCD basis to solve. So 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times multiplies the top. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. And then last but not least, 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times the top, 8 twos are 16. And then what do you see across the top? We have to combine all our terms and you add them up. 16 and 6, 22 plus 9 is 31. 31 over 24 is your answer. You can see that this doesn't reduce any further. You could write it as a mixed fraction if you wanted to, subject to what the instructor requires. But there is your answer using the LCD method. All right?